Have you ever taken a photo on your iPhone and then sent it to your computer and then you suddenly realize that you can't open it? That's probably because it's in HEIC format, which is the Apple's way of saving high quality images with smaller file. But here's the thing, not every device or website supports HEIC, and you can try to upload it somewhere and boom, error message, which is super frustrating, right? So no worries, in this video I'll show you how you can convert your HEIC photos to good old JPG or PNG on both Windows or Mac, and without even installing any software onto your device. So let's get started. So the quickest way to do that is to use any online converter. For that you can open your browser and head to a website like HEIC to JPG or cloudconverter.com. These sites are safe and don't require you to install anything. Then you can go and upload your file and choose HEIC photo from your computer. You can usually upload multiple images at once, so you don't have to worry about that. You can upload them all and convert them in batch. Then you have to hit the convert button, wait a few seconds, and then just click download next to your converted JPG images. Now if you want to convert your HEIC files regularly, here's what you can do. Simply right click the HEIC file and choose open with, then tap on photos. If it asks to install a code C, says yes, and it's free from Microsoft. Once open, click the three dots, which then you can lead it to save as and choose JPG. And on the Mac you can open the photo in preview, click file, then export and choose JPG from the format drop down, and you've got a JPG. That's all it takes to turn those weird HEIC files into regular JPGs or PNGs, which you can use anywhere. So if this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tech videos like that. And if you got stuck somewhere, you can always drop your comment and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.